Hello guys, welcome to Macube Official. Gradually you may notice that your MacBook is running slowly. It could be due to accumulated junk files hogging your system or outdated software slowing things down. A factory reset can be the cure-all solution, giving your system a fresh start while also preparing it for sale or giveaway, or simply speed up your Mac. Before you hit the factory reset button, let's declutter your Mac and pave the way for a seamless backup. How to clean your Mac safely. Macube Cleaner is your digital broomstick. It sweeps away unnecessary files, leaving your system lighter and more efficient. How to use Macube Cleaner. Head to the official Macube website, click the download button and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, launch Macube Cleaner. Scan your system, click the scan button. Watch as Macube dives deep into your Mac's nooks and crannies. It identifies junk files, cache remnants, duplicates and other digital dust. Review the scan results. Macube presents a detailed report. Explore the categories, cache it, logs, old downloads and more. See how much space you can reclaim. Clean up? Click Clean. Macube works its magic, sweeping away the clutter. Feel the satisfaction as gigabytes of unnecessary baggage vanish. Ready to give your MacBook a fresh start? Here's how. First, ensure that you've backed up all important files and data. This is crucial because a factory reset will wipe everything clean, leaving your MacBook as good as new. If you're running macOS Monterey or a newer version, begin by restarting your Mac. As it reboots, hold down the Command and R keys simultaneously. This will take you to the macOS Utilities window. Here, select Disk Utility and click Continue. In the sidebar, select your startup disk, usually named Macintosh HD, and click Erase. Once it's done, go back to the macOS Utilities window and select Reinstall macOS. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall the operating system. For MacBook, MacBook Air or Pro or iMac with an Intel chip, or those running macOS Big Sur and older, the steps are slightly different. Restart your Mac and hold down the Command and R keys. In the macOS Utilities window, select Disk Utility and click Erase. Then select Reinstall macOS from the macOS Utilities window and follow the prompts to complete the reinstallation. And there you have it. You've successfully factory reset your MacBook, but what if you need to recover some erased files? How to recover data from Mac? Just make your way to Easy Data Recovery's website. Download and install their software. It's user-friendly and designed to help you recover your files effortlessly. Simply launch the application, run the software to scan your erased hard drive and let it scan your system. Once it finds your files, you can restore them with a simple click. With Easy Data Recovery, you can recover your important files in no time. Remember, factory resetting your MacBook can give it a new lease on life. With Macube Cleaner and Easy Data Recovery, you're equipped to handle the process confidently, but always ensure you've backed up your files first. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.